Welcome friends to my channel Beginner Teaches Python to himself. Today we'll not work on this IDE but we'll try to look for something better IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. So how about going for anaconda? From Python now we are moving to anaconda. So these are all fancy names but it will interesting things. So I type www.anaconda.com and you come to this page, then you go to products and you download anaconda version 3 point something, and it will look something like this. Okay, after downloading, in that you select this Jypiter notebook. Why I'm opting this? Because for me this is far more simpler to work on this one rather than others as a beginner. So in that you open new and one cell will open like this. One cell will open. You can give the title anything. For example, I say strings. Today I decided to make some practice of strings. So string reviews, rename. So this is it has now strings review. What I want to do, just review and play around. We should not have any stress, and if it throws error, it's part of the game. So no worries. I'm learning this at the age of 61, and if I can do, I think anybody can do. So first of all, why do we need strings? Strings is anything in the commas, either single or double. For example, I say anybody can learn Python programming, but must practice every day, because if you don't practice you can forget. This is happening to me every day. Okay, so this is a string. I have given s is equal to in commas some statement. So this is called string. Why do we need string? We need string because we need something to return by the program unchanged. Where we use strings, many things are there which should not be changed. For example, your name's address, your bank account, your employment number, your company name. There are many things which has to be written as it is. And you have seen on your for example, if you are doing WhatsApp and you are typing something, the auto spell check will destroy sometime what you want to say. It can correct your name also. This thing we don't want. We want something to written as it is. So for that this string is there, and this is my understanding about string. Now this ID, Jypiter ID, is very easy for working. I will show how it is easy. So I want to print this. So print. Okay, I will say print yes. You see, and control enter, finish. So it is saying this is the output of that string. Anybody can learn programming, but you must practice every day. Now I want to see, I want to open new cell. So alt enter, new cell is open. So I want to see what is the length of this. So what we learn, print len function. Len means length of this, and in the parenthesis s. Okay, so control enter, it says 64. That means there are 64 total letters including the space. Okay, so we'll do more about this one. So today we are just playing around. So what are the more facilities available? If you see in the, for example, here, here for example I say s is equal to, in the commas, anything. Okay, so now here is the output of this one. Now s dot, I want to see what are the facilities available. So this many things are available. You can see count, ends with, format, index, right, left, and replace also. So upper and lower case also. So we'll demo few of these and others we keep on practicing. So here, for example, I'll go here. Alt and enter gives new cell. I say print s dot upper and again parenthesis. Okay. Then I want to run this. Anybody can control. See, it has converted into upper. The beauty of this ID, why I'm choosing this, you can edit this. Here only I can edit. I want to see what for the lower. See, everything has turned into lower. Now there is something called title also. So in title, each word, first letter will go in uppercase. Title. And see, anybody can learn. The first letter goes uppercase in the title. So this is the beauty of this ID. So you can edit and you can play around here. Fine. So you can delete also. If you want to delete this, just capital DD, vanished. And for new cell, alt and enter. So I have seen this. I am more interested in just like we saw that there is one split function also. So it converts your string into list. That's very interesting for me. So I denote one letter L, capital L for example, and I say is equal to s dot split, open close parenthesis. So this is very interestingly, we'll check each of the word and put in a list. How? We'll see it now. Run. Okay, for that I have to go print L. Okay, so you see I use this function, the string dot split, open close parenthesis. So it is converted into a list. I denoted one letter L for the list and L become list of this word. Now I want to see the length of this list. So while doing string, we are doing something about the list also, because this is just free practice around and just play around. So I will do print len. We'll use the len function. Len means it will give the length of this L. Okay, as simple as that. And I run it. It says 10. That means there are 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 10. So that's fine. Now I would like to go for indexing. So indexing, what we learned that the first one is said 0, then 1, 2, 3, all the way like this. So let's make something, open new cell and I say, for example, index is equal to, you can say anything. For example, I say -1. Now what we learn, the for loop for I in L colon, you come to the new line after hitting enter and there is some few lines are left. That's very important. So I'll say index is equal to index plus 1. Okay, and then I'll go for print I. Okay, fine. And then control enter, it runs and it is printing. The I is entering in all the way in the list and it is printing all one by one. Okay,